Hi students, welcome to our Remon online class for 12th mathematics. Now see exercise 12.1, ninth question, first subdivision. Let M is equal to the set values, the matrix 2 by 2 matrix x such that x belongs to R minus the set value is 0. That means here set of all real number except 0. The elements are belongs to set of all real number except 0. And let's start with the matrix multiplication. Here denotation is what? Star is a matrix multiplication. Determine M is closer under star. Determine M is closer. Closed means should it is satisfied closer axiom. And the next, if so, examine if irundhuna adukapra you have to find out commutative associative property satisfied by star on M. By star on M. So we have to prove number 1 closure axiom, commutative axiom, associative axiom. There are 3 questions asking in this subdivision. Okay, now solution. Let M is equal to the set value 2 by 2 matrix x where x belongs to set of all real number except 0. Here binary operator is star. Star is a matrix multiplication. Star is a matrix multiplication. So now closure property. For every a comma b belongs to M. Capital A means we can choose 2 by 2 matrix. The element are same entry J. B means the matrix 2 by 2 matrix B. Where A is non-zero, not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0 because set of all real number except to 0. So the A value, B values are not equal to 0. Okay. Now the binary operator is star. A star B is equal to matrix A, matrix B. So here the star is what? Matrix multiplication. Now product row by column. A into B, AB, again AB, again AB plus AB, again second row first column, AB plus AB, second row third second column, AB plus AB. So value is what? The matrix is what? 2AB. Okay. Since A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0, product of AB is also not equal to 0, and then multiple of 2AB is also not equal to 0. So therefore these elements are same elements, this belongs to this. So product of AB belongs to M. So here star means matrix multiplication. Here this denotation is not given in this question, so we can use AB. So here denoted star with the matrix multiplication. We can put here star operator. Okay. So A star B belongs to M. So hence star is a binary on M, or star is closed on M. Okay. Okay, next. Commutative property. Commutative property. For every A comma B belongs to M, A matrix is already defined. A star B is equal to what? Commutative property is nothing but A star B is equal to B star A. We can prove this. A star B is equal to matrix A, matrix B. Product of this same manner, matrix 2AB. So we can choose again B star A. First we fill B matrix B. Second A. Product of this what? 2BA. These two are same. So therefore A star B is equal to B star A. So these two are equal. So star is commutative on M. Star is commutative on M. Okay. That is the proof. Next, associative property. In general, already we know 10th standard or 11th standard. In general, matrix multiplication is always associative. For every A comma B comma C belongs to M. So therefore, A star of B star C equal to A star B of star C. So that is the associative property, students. In this question, the star operator is denoted by matrix multiplication. This line is cannot given. So only give value the matrix multiplication is given. So we can remove star operator in this problem, students. It's a very simple one. Now see exercise 12.1 second subdivision, 9th question, second subdivision. Right? M equal to what? The set value, the matrix 2 by 2 matrix x is set of all real number except 0, and let star be the matrix multiplication, and then determine whether M is closed under star. If so, examine the existence of identity and the existence of inverse properties for the operation star on M. So previous question model solution, let M is equal to what? The matrix x such that x belongs to R minus set value 0. Star is a matrix multiplication. Okay. So already see closure property for every a comma b belongs to M. So let A is equal to the matrix A, we can choose B matrix B 2 by 2 matrix where A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0. So here star is a matrix multiplication, A star B is equal to A matrix B matrix, product of this we got matrix 2AB 2 by 2 matrix. Since A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0 and 2AB also not equal to 0, so therefore A star B belongs to M, this matrix. So n star is binary or close or closure on M. Okay, that is the first proof. Already we see previous question. So now see identity property. So existence of identity property. Let consider the matrix A belongs to M. Let A is equal to what? A. Now we can choose identity matrix capital E is equal to E. The matrix is denoted by symbol capital letters. Its element is denoted by small letters. So capital E is equal to the matrix 2 by 2 E. Okay. By the definition of identity, A star E is equal to A, or otherwise E star A is equal to A. So now write down the matrix A. Star means here matrix multiplication E, which is equal to A matrix A. Okay. Now product of this we got 2AE equal to matrix A. So which is 2 by 2 matrix, that is also 2 by 2 matrix. So in between symbol is equal, so they are equal matrix. So their corresponding element should be equal. That means 2AE is equal to A. So here A cancel, E is equal to 1 by 2. E is equal to what? 1 by 2. So now substitute here. So capital E is equal to 1 by 2. So this element is non-zero real number. So non-zero real number which is belongs to M, this format. Okay, yeah, all the elements are same. So this belongs to M. Okay, is the identity element on M, which is the identity element on M. Okay. So now similarly we can prove E star A equal to A. E star A equal to A. So therefore hence the existence of identity property is true. The existence of identity property is true. So next property, existence of inverse property. Existence of inverse property. Let A belongs to M. So let A is equal to what? A. So A inverse we can choose B. So which is we assume that let A inverse equal to the matrix 2 by 2 matrix B. Okay. By the definition of inverse, A star A inverse equal to E, which is equal to A inverse star A. So we can choose first part only. So the matrix A is what? A. Matrix A inverse B, which is equal to E. Already we see 1 by 2. So product of these two matrices we got the matrix 2AB equal to the matrix 1 by 2. So they are equal matrix, so their corresponding elements should be equal. So 2AB equal to 1 by 2. So we want to put inverse of matrix B. B is equal to what? 1 by 4A. Since already we know A is not equal to 0. So therefore A inverse equal to substitute B value here. A inverse equal to 1 by 4A. So all the elements are same. So which is equal to what? The matrix M, which is belongs to M, is the inverse element of A. So this is the A is the inverse of A inverse. Okay. So similarly we can prove A inverse star A equal to E. So if you choose this part also, you got answer same. A inverse equal to the matrix 1 by 4A. Okay. So that's the proof. Hence, the existence of inverse property is also true. The existence of inverse property is also true. So that is a very simple one problem, students.